Here at Tony 10 Speed, we're going to show you some tips and tricks for saddle replacement that'll make your whole life easier and are not described in other videos. Let's take a look. First, measure the distance from the tip of the saddle to the middle of the center of the handlebars, which in this case is 42 centimeters. With the bike on a level surface, use a carpenter's level to measure the angle of the seat so we can reinstall it at the correct angle. And we can see in this case that the bubble is right in the center and the seat is completely level. Under the seat there'll be either one or two fixing bolts. Turn the bolt counterclockwise to loosen. Oftentimes you can loosen enough to turn the top of the clamp and remove the seat. Clean the rails thoroughly as well as the clamp. Apply a small amount of either grease or Fibro Grip if you're dealing with carbon fiber. In some cases you may be required to completely take out the bolt, in which case clean everything, re-grease or use Fibro Grip. Also clean the bolt and re-grease, or again use Fibro Grip for carbon. Place the seat back on, place it in, turn the upper part of the clamp, tighten it, enough so we can move it a little bit up or down. And this is where our carpenter level comes in handy. With the bike on a level surface, use our carpenter wrench to make sure that the tilt is correct on the bike. In this case, the bubble is in the center. Go ahead and tighten the fixing bolt a little bit more. Now we'll check the seat position from the distance of the tip of the saddle to the middle of the handlebars. Measures 41. We want it at 42. We'll loosen the seat bolt just enough so we can tap it back without changing the tilt. There we go. 41.5. Perfect. Retighten the seat bolt slightly. Finally, finish tightening the seat bolt with a torque wrench to the manufacturer's specifications. Too loose, your seat's going to drop. Too tight, I've seen the seat bolt break with disastrous results for the rider. If you're dealing with carbon fiber, you may damage the carbon fiber seat post. There are some slight differences when using a 2-bolt clamp system, or in the case of a mountain bike, this is shock post, where the 2 bolts or the bolt on the shock post control both the tilt and allow for fore-aft movement. But the idea in positioning the saddle is the same as what we've presented here. If you have any suggestions, please comment. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. This is Tony of Tony 10 Speed. Safe cycling.